Welcome back to Learning Football with Santosh Kashyap, former Indian footballer, Mahindra United player, and FIFA and AFC instructor. If you haven't watched the previous video on set plays for defending, please do so first, as this episode builds on the technique demonstrated earlier.
Hi guys, good evening. This is Santosh Kashyap. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Football with me. So today we are going to practice on defending set plays, part 2. It's the penalty kicks and free kick. So as I said, in the set plays is very important. Most of the matches has decided with set plays because 30 to 40% scored by free kicks, penalty, corner kicks, throw in. So it's very important part. So if we defend well in penalties and free kick, we definitely have a less chance of conceding goals and win more matches for our team. So let's begin. Come on guys. So goalkeeper on the goal, Sultan. So you stand here. Yeah, 3 players. Yeah, come orange this side, remaining that side. So you have to place the ball and take the penalty. Simple. So one by one, come. Yes. On the whistle you start. Okay.
Ready?
Good shot. Well done. Come on, next. Okay. Good. Oh, good save. Okay, goalkeeper change. Okay, good. So you can see that they did well while defending set plays penalties. So, but I give you some points, so they definitely become better goalkeeper. Okay. So goalkeeper change. So in a defending set plays, please come anybody. Yes, just hold. So it's goalkeeper choice. Either you can stay in one position and wait for the chance to go in the action and go for reaction. Otherwise you can decide, some goalkeeper decide I'll go left side or right side, 100%. Let him kick the whichever side he wants. So but you have to see that, but your body language should be more positive. Like you can do like this and keep moving. So like it will definitely disturb his concentration, because the attacker need to be concentrate to score the goal. If you put under pressure with our activities, so you definitely have chance to kick out or you get the chance to save the goalkeeper. So the body position very positive, understand? So you can see in his eyes also, put more pressure and you keep moving like this side. So like this. Okay. Now play. Yeah, you can whistle. See. So you can see that he is under pressure and his chance is to kick out. Okay, next. Yes. So now it's your objective to you can disturb goalkeeper also. So now in referee will say now go in the line. Yes. I can see his eyes, so he will be more under pressure. Now I see. So now you can see I'm not going blind. I'm taking the action or his reaction. Whenever I'm looking for last second, and accordingly I will decide to save. Okay? So wait, play. See? You can see? He was very much under pressure. Okay, third, we'll see. So hope you get the idea. Come on. Now we'll see with the goalkeepers. Yes, see, out, ball goes out. Very nice. Sultan, you are doing okay, but I want more. Now you doing. Now you can see his body language, only right hand is moving. This one is dead. So you can. Understood? Yep. Yes. Yes, good. Now in what happened? He has took the decision before only that I'll go on the right. If he's wait for his chance to shoot, the shoot was straight, so he could have saved this. Understand? आप पहले गिर गया, but if you stayed there, you could save. So wait for his chance, look for the ball in the last second, and then react. See, so now you can see the attackers more under pressure, and that's why they are taking the decision just come and bang it. अंदर गया तो ठीक है, ये तो is going out. So they are now more under pressure. So that is our job while doing defending penalty kicks. See, okay, goalkeeper change. Yeah, well done, excellent, Sakti, well done, very nice. So you have seen this, he wait, and last moment when he kicked, he took the decision. So there is more chances. According to my philosophy, if you wait and go and take the action on the reaction, once they kick, then you decide, not before. So you have more chances to save goals. Whoa, excellent, well done, very nice. So please continue. So this is all about penalty, defending penalties. So it's very simple that you have to put the attackers, penalty taker under pressure with your body language, with your communication, eye-to-eye contact, and then you have to keep moving on the. Before it was you have to just stand in the center, but now you can line and you can move. So it will be put more pressure on the attackers. Because they also may come, either they see the goalkeeper position and then kick on left side or right side, or they will just come and bang it. So you have an advantage in defending penalty kicks when you wait for his last minute shot and then you take your decision according to the ball. Okay, so this is all about the first part. Now we'll progress to free kicks. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, now defending set plays part 2. Now free kicks, direct free kicks. It's very important as many goals happen through direct free kicks or indirect free kicks. So we are going to practice how to defend free kicks direct from top of the box. So let's begin guys. Okay, take another ball. Good one. Good one. Wow, good. Good one. Good collection. Goalkeeper change. Okay. No, come this. Good shot. Okay, goalkeeper change. Okay, so we give the feel of a free kick direct. So now we'll guide them how they can defend well in free kicks. So it's very important for goalkeeper. So make a wall with the near post. So if ball is placed there, you have to see the last man of defense can face you. Now Samuel, now tallest man always in tallest man in this play. The second tallest man next to this, and third and smallest is that side. Okay. So now how you make the wall? So the last player should face me. Okay, and communicate with them. So I can get left, go left. Yes, and pull them. Yes. Okay. Now you can face that side. Okay, so your wall is ready. So take the wall in the nearest post, and you see that you can see the ball. You should not block with the pole. Okay, so you can, if you stay too close, be very chance to concede goal that side, and if you stay in the center, you can chance both. So you see that how you can place, because most of the goals scored here. But sometime very intelligent kicker also will see that goalkeeper going to move this side, so he can kick here. So you have to be very, very alert. Okay, so now you can place. Now same moment like you doing penalties, put under pressure to him, and keep moving and keep watching the ball. Yes, play. Yep, I am ready with body language and block. If ball block is there, is okay, otherwise you can do that. So Uday, just try to chip the ball above the wall. Just try that. Okay, so I am keeping the ball. Yes, very nice. So if you cannot collect, punch the ball. Simple. Okay, yeah, very good. So now you can see the communication with the defender and goalkeeper is very, very important. So it should be loud level. Okay, so you go. Joel, come on, left, Joel, yes. Okay, right. Okay, then. Okay, good, come on, take few shots. So try to keep the ball in the target. Yes, that's better. Yes, collect. Understand, very nice. So ball is okay? Correct, very good. We'll see. Good. Free kick and good save. Excellent. Big hand for Sultan. Okay, very nice. Okay, goalkeeper change. So you can see that very beautifully. He has covered his angle, goalkeeper angle, and that's why he could have saved. And he watched the ball like penalties till the right second. If he decided before only to move here, it could be a goal. So well done Sultan. So you have to wait again same till the last moment when he kick and then react. Just play. Good, okay. Whoa, fantastic. Good try, Samuel. Well done. Good try. Communicate. So, stop. So, goalkeeper communication is very, very important, and body language again, like defending penalties, to put the attacker under pressure. So if you just come and stand here quietly, no, hey, come on, communicate. You have to be put under pressure to him, like what you are doing in the penalties. Okay, come on, do it.
Left. Close the ball. Left, rubbish.
No.
Close the wall.
Yes, very good, Shakti Velu. Good one, good. Well done, good attempt. So you can see he has waited. That's the best advantage he has. Grown up that way, very nice. So he grasps very well, and see he's waiting for the chance to kick and then react. So he's giving extra advantage for him. The ball hit the post, but if it was inside the goal also, he could have saved that. Well done, Shakti.
Jump.
Wow, good shot and good attempt. Well done. Continue. So this is all about defending free kicks. you definitely, if you keep it in mind, these points, it definitely make you better goalkeeper, and you can defend well and win matches for your team. As I said, 35 to 40% and sometimes more also, the goals happen with set plays. So we have to prepare ourselves, for coaches also, team and players, goalkeeper, for set plays, but the very important part. So you can see the goalkeepers have saved many penalties and free kick as well. So this is all about defending part 2, free kick, guys. Hope you're liking and enjoying with me. So keep learning, keep watching, and keep remember this points. It will help you to become better goalkeeper, and you can do well for your team. So please do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. This is all about defending set plays, and we'll come back with new episode soon. Thank you very much for now.